Banshee Moon.
Hey everybody! Thanks for watching the videos. Be sure to subscribe, click the watermark up there or the subscribe button down there, and have fun. We're getting ready to take this big dead tree down in the middle of the pig pen. We don't want it to fall on our little piggies. So we're going to take this fence part. I want to ruin everything. Wait. Get it started here. Farm chores. We're gonna lay that tree down right there, hopefully. So before we get started, we need to sharpen the chainsaw. We can't saw down a tree with a dull chainsaw, that's for sure. So this thing's set in here. So it fell exactly where we wanted it to go. We didn't even have to move any stuff. We did anyway because we're safe. But now we just gotta cut up the rest and get ready for winter. Farmer's Almanac says it's gonna be a long, cold one. We're gonna be warm and have big bonfires. Build up that stack. That was fun.
So now you're having your beer, huh?
Yep.
Had to change your shirt, huh?
Yeah,
Yeah.
sweating.
Lumberjack farm girls get sweaty and they have to change their wardrobe. Well, you did a great job, farm
Feeling
girl.
like an Indian warrior princess.
Oh yeah. Let's see some of those muscles, farm girl. Come on.
We're tired. I'll do a couple.
I'm tired, but I'll do some flexing. Wow.
I need to go work out.
Very nice. Very pretty, sexy, muscular farm girl. I'll kill your saw for you, ma'am.
Okay.
Your axe.
Thanks.